Jai Swaminarayan student. Today we are going to learn about the logical instructions. In the previous lectures we have studied about mathematical arithmetic instruction. Today we are going to learn about the logical instructions. What is the logical instructions? In the logical instruction it will cover AND operation, second OR operation, third XOR operation. Whatever we have studied in the first semester digital electronics, all the logical operation can be performed in the logical instructions. And one is the complement accumulator. These four we have studied. What is the complement? Complement is the NOT gate. Complement શું છે? NOT gate છે. બરાબર? તે શું કરશે? Whatever our input, it will be complemented. Means 0 હોય તો 1 અને 1 હોય તો 0. What is the meaning of AND operation? The meaning of AND operation is when both inputs are 1, output is 1, otherwise it is 0. That we have studied. When, what is OR operation? The meaning of OR operation is when any of the input, તમને જેટલા પણ ઇનપુટ આપ્યા છે એમાંથી any of the input is 1, output is 1, otherwise it is 0. Otherwise શું થશે? 0 થશે. What is the meaning of XOR? The meaning of XOR is when both inputs are different. જો બંને ઇનપુટ અલગ અલગ હોય, એક 0 હોય અને બીજું 1 હોય, અથવા જેટલા પણ ઇનપુટ તમને આપ્યા છે એ ઇનપુટ અલગ અલગ હોય તો આઉટપુટ ઇઝ 1. આઉટપુટ શું મળશે? 1 મળશે. અધરવાઇઝ ઇટ વિલ બી 0. What is the meaning of complement? Complement makes 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. Okay, so this is the logical instruction. In the logical instructions, the second thing is comparison. Comparison of two numbers. એ બે નંબરનું આપણને comparison પણ આપે છે. That is known as a comparison. When we are comparing two numbers, there will be three possibilities. First, either A greater than B, either A less than B, or A is equal to B. We have taken here two numbers A and B. So there will be three possibilities. Either they are same, or one is greater or second is greater. That is known as a comparison. The third logical instruction is the rotation. Rotate instructions. In the rotate instruction, there will be two types of rotation. The first is a left and second is the right. We can rotate the bits of the accumulator either in the right position or either in the left position. We can. Okay. So this is the different types of logic instructions we are going to study. First, we will use logical AND. પહેલા આપણે શું ભણીશું? Logical AND ભણીશું. So first, logical AND operation. Today we are going to learn about logical AND operation. આજે આપણે logical AND operation ભણીશું. What is the logical AND? So first we will see the mnemonics. The first mnemonic is A N A R or M. Second mnemonic is A N I, data of 8-bit. Here, what it performs? It performs AND operation between accumulator and register. આ શું કરશે? તો એન્ડ ઓપરેશન કરશે કોની વચ્ચે? તો રજિસ્ટર અથવા અને એક્યુમ્યુલેટરની વચ્ચે. આન્સર is stored into accumulator by default. So A AND operation register. Okay, we will see the example, okay, in the next page. What it performs? It performs the AND operation. આપણ AND operation કરે છે, પણ AND operation between accumulator and this 8-bit data and 8-bit data given in instruction. ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શનની અંદર જે 8 બીટનો ડેટા આપેલો છે એ 8 બીટને ડેટાનું અને એક્યુમ્યુલેટરનું એ એન્ડ ઓપરેશન કરે છે. હાઉ ઇટ પરફોર્મ્સ ધ એન્ડ ઓપરેશન વી વિલ સી હિયર. ઓકે, it performs the AND operation. Suppose first we have write here A and A, and then I have write here B. Okay, so what it performs? It performs AND operation between accumulator and B. What it performs? It performs the AND operation between accumulator and B. Now suppose we are going to explain with the example. Suppose the value of A is 32H. A ની વેલ્યુ કેટલી છે? 32H છે અને B ની વેલ્યુ છે 92H. Okay, now we are going to make the AND operation. Before making the AND operation, we have to convert this hex code into a binary. આપણને જે હેક્સ કોડ આપેલા છે એ હેક્સ કોડનું આપણે પહેલા બાઇનરી કરવું પડશે. તો પહેલા એ નું બાઇનરીમાં 3 આપ્યા છે તો 3 નું બાઇનરી આ હેક્સ કોડ છે. હેક્સ કોડ કરવા માટે શું જોઈશે? તો ટુ પરફોર્મ ધ હેક્સ કોડ we have to write here binary of 3 in the group of 4 bits. So binary of 3 is a 1 1. So to make the 4 bit we have to write here 0 0 1 1. This you have to remember from the first semester. What is the binary of 2? It's a 0 0 1 0. Okay, now what is B? What B is a 92H. What is the binary of 9? It's a 1 0 0 1. What is the binary of 2? It's a 0 0 1 0. Now perform the AND operation. What is the AND gate? The AND gate is when the both the inputs are 1, output is 1. Starts from here. These both are 0. So here is a 0. These both are 1. So here is a 1 because all the inputs are 1. Here is a 0. Here is a 0. This is 1. This is 0. This is 0 and this is 0. Answer will be stored into A. Answer क्या store થશે? A ની અંદર store થશે. Now make the hex of this number. This is 1. And this is 2. So after performing this A and AB, the value of A is 1 2H. કેટલી વેલ્યુ થશે? 1 2H. You can perform and verify this by performing in the software. So what we have to write? First we have to load accumulator and B. So write here MVI A 32H, MVI B 92H, and then perform A and A B and then HLT. Okay, so you can get the answer in the accumulator is 1 2H. Again, what it performs? It performs the AND operation. What is AND operation? When all the inputs are 1, output is 1. So I have taken here instruction A and A B. This is the example. This is the example. So what is the value of A? I have taken, it's a 32H. What is the value of B? It is the 92H. And this is the AND operation. Before performing the AND operation, we have to make the binary of A and B. To make the hexadecimal to binary, we can write the binary form in the group of 4 bits. Okay, that you know. જે તમને જાણો જ છો. And that performs the AND operation. Okay, this performation can be રાઇટ ડાઉન યુઝિંગ ધીસ પ્રોગ્રામ. આ પ્રોગ્રામની મદદથી પણ આપણે એને લખી શકીએ છીએ. ધ સેકન્ડ એક્ઝામ્પલ ઇઝ ANI and we have given a data of 8 bit. બીજું એક્ઝામ્પલ આવું હતું. So what is the ANI 8 bit data? So take the example ANI F2H. Okay, and suppose the value of A is equal to 39H. H ની વેલ્યુ કેટલી છે? A ની વેલ્યુ કેટલી છે? 39H. So we can make the AND operation between 39 and F2. અહીંયા કોની વચ્ચે AND operation થશે? તો 39 અને F2 ની વચ્ચે AND operation થશે. So first write down the accumulator in the binary form, that is A 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1. What is F? F is a 1 1 1 1. That is our 8-bit data. What is 2? It's a 0 0 1 0. Now perform the AND operation between these two. So to perform the AND operation between these two, 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 0. So what will be the answer? It's a 3, it's a 0. So after performing this instruction, the value of A is 30H. It can be write in the programming form. Suppose first load value of A, that is 39H, then ANI 0F2H. Here we have taken the data in the F2H, but to write in the program, whenever there is a hexadecimal number in the A, B, C, D, E and F, we have to put here 0 again. બરાબર, અહીંયા તો આપણે 0 મૂકવાના છે. It considered only F2, but for the programming section we have to write here 0. Otherwise it will be error. Okay, and then HLT. After performing these 3 lines, the value of A is 30H. A ની વેલ્યુ કેટલી થઈ જશે? 30H થઈ જશે. So this is the logical AND operation. આ શું છે? Logical AND operation. Same logical OR operation we will discuss. It performs the logical operation. It has a 2 mnemonics. First is the ORA R by M. Second is ORI 8-bit data. Okay, what is ORA R by M? It performs OR operation between accumulator and register. See here, for the arithmetic and logical operation, one by default register is accumulator. Okay, now take the example ORA B. Suppose take the value of A and B. A is a 32H, B is a 92H. Same perform. Make the binary of these two. So the binary of A is a first 3. So 0 0 1 1, then 2 0 0 1 0, then B 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0. Perform this. So 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 1. What is the OR operation? OR operation is when any of the input is 1. So this is 1 and this is 0. So one input is 1. So put here 1 0 1. What is this number? It's a 11. What is it? It's a 11. What is the hex of 11? It's a B. Okay, and this is 2. So after performing the ORAB, the value of A is a B2H. A ની વેલ્યુ કેટલી થઈ જશે? B2H થઈ જશે. Okay, so same you can write the program. એ તમારે જાતે કરવાનો છે. Same, here is the ORI. What is the difference between these two? Both performing the OR operation, but this is the register addressing mode. આ કયો મોડ છે? રજિસ્ટર એડ્રેસિંગ મોડ છે. જ્યારે આ છે ઇમિડિયેટ એડ્રેસિંગ મોડ. કયો મોડ છે? Immediate addressing mode. It performs the immediate addressing mode. Both performs the OR operation same, but difference is that. Okay, so take the example ORI, then 32H. Okay, the value of A is a 52H. Okay, so what it performs? Make the binary of this. A is equal to 0101 0010. What is the binary of B? Sorry, 8-bit data. It's a 32H. It's a 32H. So 0011 0010. Make the OR operation 000 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, and it's a 0. What is this number? This is 7. This is 7 and this is 2. So what is the after execution? It's a 72. Execute થયા પછી આપણને શું મળશે? 72H મળે છે. Okay, so this is the logical OR operation. Then the last is the XOR, logical XOR performance. Okay, so here is the logical XOR. What is the meaning of XOR? XOR means when input are different, output is 1. જ્યારે પણ ઇનપુટ અલગ અલગ હોય ત્યારે એ આઉટપુટ કેટલું આપે છે? 1 આપે છે. So what is its mnemonics? Its mnemonics is same, X R A R by M, and second is XRI 8-bit data. Same it performs. So it performs the XOR between accumulator and register, which you can use. Same it performs XOR between accumulator and 8-bit data. આપણને જે 8-bit data આપેલા છે 8-bit data અને accumulator વચ્ચે એ perform કરે છે. Now we will see the example. The examples are X R A C. Here I use the register C. We can use any of the register. Okay, so XRAC. For the XRAC, take suppose the value of A is 2FH and value of C is 32H. (2FH). So first make the binary of A, that is 0010. F is a 1111. C 3 0011 20010. Okay, then perform. See here, both the bits must be different, then the output will be 1. So here is a 1, here is a 0. If 1, both are same, 0. Different 1, different 1, different 1, same 0, same 0, same 0. So after the performing, the value of A is 1. Which number is this? It's a 13. 13 means it's a D. So after the performing, the value of A will be 1DH. Okay, same here is a XRI. Take the example XRI 49H. Take the value of A. Example, suppose the value of A is a 20H. Okay, so make the binary of A, it's a 00100000. What is the value of 49? 49's binary of the 49 is 01001001. So make the XOR operation between these two. 0 plus 0 XOR 1, it's a 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0. Okay, when the inputs are different, you have to put here 1. So value of A is it's a 6, it's a 9. So value of A is equal to 69H. So after the performing, the value of A will be 69H for this number. Okay, so this is the XOR operation, and the last is X complement accumulator. We can complement only accumulator. Okay, complement accumulator. So make the complement of accumulator. There is only one instruction, and that is CMA. Okay, this CMA performs only the complement of the value of the accumulator. Suppose, and its mnemonic is only CMA. So the value of A is suppose 32H. Okay, so after the performing, we have to make the binary of 32H, that is 0 0 1 1. What is the binary of 2? It's a 0 0 1 0. So make the complement, place 0 in place of 1 and 1 in place of 0. So it will be 1 1 0 0. It will be 1 1 0 1. So which number is this? This is 12. So you have to write here C. What is this number? This is 13. So it's a D. So after the performing CMA, the value of A will be CDH. Kitli value thai jase? CDH. To make the any register value complement, we have to first move value in accumulator. પહેલા આપણે એને શેમાં મૂકવી પડશે? એક્યુમ્યુલેટરની અંદર જ મૂવ કરવી પડશે, because it complement only accumulator. એ complement accumulator ને જ કરે છે. Suppose you have given one program, that is WAP to complement value of register C. So we cannot here write CMC. We have to write here register C. So first we have to move the data of register C to A, and then we can perform the complement accumulator, and then it will be HLT. Okay, so this is the logical OR, logical XOR, logical AND and complement of accumulator instruction. Further instruction will be given in the next lecture. Jai Swaminarayan.